Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be putting together this double car carport. This is a galvanized steel. This is a double car metal carport kit. It is a 20 by 20 and this one is in charcoal. Alright, so this is the carport kit. You get 2 of the tops and 2 of the frames. So the frames are the longer ones, the top ones are the wider ones. So what we do is we put out all the frames to where it's supposed to go. It is much easier if you put up the arches first and then the bottom, then trying to do it one by one because it is a lot harder. So we just grab a couple of the parts, put them where they're supposed to go. So here is the most top part, the highest part of the carport, which is in the middle. So there is about 4. So this is a 20 foot by 20 foot. And then on each side, it only needs 4 to 5 legs. Now, if you have a single carport, it is much less. So I'm just going to lay them out. And right here, we've already laid it out just to know where we're going to put everything. It does come with weather stripping. So on each panel, you want to put some weather stripping just to make sure that it doesn't leak. So here is it all set up. And like I said, you want to put the arches all together. So the top all the way down to the bottom. So when you got the bottom parts down here, all you have to do is take one person on each side and then just push it into the bottom port, which they have the little T's down here. You can see the T's right there on the left side. By putting it in one arch at a time, it is a lot easier instead of putting just the top part of the arch in. So you want the whole top part and all the sides. So you could just put it into these little holes right here. That is much easier than trying to do the top because we tried doing that and it's a lot harder. So here's the second day. We've pretty much got on one side and we're working on the second side. We've got the back side. We did use some ratchet straps, so that helps keep the carport in place. It's not included, but we did add those to make it a lot faster. So we're going to come back when we have it all up and going. So right now we have it all up and done. So this thing here on both sides only covers a little bit. I had extra panels to throw on the side. So we just screwed in the extra panels on the side because we did have a hailstorm here and I didn't want my car damaged. So this is the side that the hails come from. So you can see the arches, all the screws in here. It looks really nice. I like the fact that it was pretty much easy as long as you know by putting the arches in the whole top and bottom at each time. And the panels were basically self-drilled holes on the panels. You just had to drill inside the frame, which was not too hard as long as you have a nice drill. So this is what it looks like from the front and side. And then on the back side, I had extra panels to make it look nice and actually cover it up so the hail won't hit my car. So this is the front side. It is a really nice carport. If you're looking for a 2-car carport, this one I would say take a look at. This one is super easy to put up as long as you put the arches up, but I would definitely recommend this carport.